I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine.
Clock the hair, clock the mug, clock the nails, clock my skirt. You better get into it. Clock the bag, clock the shoe. Now punch the clock, it's time to work. Move over, amateurs, taking mine, taking yours. Somebody better hold my purse. Figure it out like Nancy Drew. Catch on quick like hallelujah. Work. I came to work. I'm here to work. I told y'all I was a professional. Work. I came to work. I'm here to work. See, I am a professional. Gucci, Prada, Dolce Gabbana, red bottoms. Yes, I got 'em. No Kardashian collection here. Prada, Karen, Miu, Jimmy Choo, Rhinestone shoe. Looks like a pimple got her tax return. Ferragamo, Chloe Dior, labels, come, give me more. Professional. Oh, what? Oh, so y'all want me to leave? Oh, no, you ain't gotta call security on me. I came up the elevator. I can leave back down the elevator. Okay, I know she better quit rolling her eyes at me from behind that cubicle. I know that. Oh, no, I have a ride home. Thank you. Is the bus still running? What?
No doubt. Let's raise a glass